All right, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. Here are your top 5 stories making news in crypto today. Hit that like button and let's jump in. This one just came out a few hours ago. It is being reported that Samsung is planning a new blockchain mainnet featuring Samsung Coin. An exclusive CoinDesk Korea report on Tuesday, citing a person, quote, familiar with Samsung's internal situation, said that the company's blockchain task force, part of its wireless division, is building a blockchain mainnet based on Ethereum. The work, however, is still at the internal experimental stage. If this is true, and from everything I've been reading, this is just in the testing, experimental stage right now, this is not confirmed, but when you hear institutions and higher-ups talk about things going on behind the scenes in cryptocurrency, if Samsung adopted cryptocurrency, one, I think this would make complete sense for their brand. They have definitely a huge use case there. But two, Samsung is a South Korean electronics company, so they're not held down by any US or Chinese regulations. This would make sense. This is a direct quote. Currently, we are thinking of private blockchain, although it's not confirmed yet. It could also be a public blockchain in the future, but I think it'll be a hybrid. That is a combination of public and private blockchains. Okay, a bit confusing. It sounds like they're toying with the idea of something permissioned, meaning not totally decentralized, although they say they could easily change that. So what I take away from this is that right now it is truly an internal experiment on the direction they're going to go with cryptocurrency. When the development of the blockchain is complete, Samsung may also move to launch a Samsung Coin token, according to the report. The official said, "We expect Samsung Coin to come out on the market, but the direction has not been decided yet." Would you buy Samsung Coin? I might buy a little bit of Samsung Coin. Do I? Yeah, I have a Samsung. Yeah, I do. And what would be the use case of a Samsung Coin? If the company develops a public blockchain in the future, then Samsung Coin could be traded publicly on cryptocurrency exchanges just like Bitcoin, just like Ethereum. Samsung could also bring blockchain technology to its payment app Samsung Pay, but the move is not yet decided according to the official. It could also be used for gaming in the future on their apps, because as we know, the S10 also supports decentralized apps, dApps, such as Crypto Gaming Platform Engine. What a time to be alive. If any cell phone were to do this, to me it makes total sense it would be Samsung, because 2 months ago the company made a leap into the blockchain arena. This is already confirmed. Samsung's already doing this. They made a leap into the blockchain arena with the unveiling of its flagship cell phone, the Galaxy S10, which has the ability to store cryptocurrency private keys and other features, such as support blockchain-based digital signatures. If they're supporting other cryptocurrencies on their cell phone, why not just create their own? I like it, I want to support it, and as new information comes out about Samsung Coin, I'm going to keep you updated. Welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily, where you subscribe for a video on crypto every day. My name's Austin, and we still have 4 more news stories to go. Today is a good day. Next piece of news, another Tron partnership. Although I'm going to take issue on the word partnership in this situation. I'll tell you why. Justin Sun tweeted out about 12 hours ago, "Thank you for the unique and innovative invitation, Liverpool. I am impressed and I am looking forward to exploring this Tron new partnership together." Specifically between Tron and the Liverpool Football Club new partnership. While this is pretty cool, to me after doing more research, this is clearly just a sponsorship. Now, I haven't read the exact contracts, but I think this is just going to be signage and logos on the Liverpool football games, which is cool, but that's just a sponsorship. I'm sure Tron paid to have their signage up there, unless Liverpool is so heavily invested in Tron, the Liverpool Football Club. And in terms of a use case on how Tron and BitTorrent token could help Liverpool football club in the future, moreover, Justin Sun believes Tron and BitTorrent will help Liverpool if they could use their own live streaming options in the near future. If the football club wants to stream, they can use Tron and BitTorrent network. And this partnership, Tron and Liverpool, very similar to what we saw with Litecoin and the UFC when Litecoin became a sponsor of the UFC and they had some signage. Hey, you know what? Let me know what you think down below. Maybe you would consider it a partnership. Anyway, next piece of news, a daily updated graph showing Bitcoin/crypto exposure on mainstream media news outlets. For the last year, since May of 2018 to this month of 2019, this is how much exposure Bitcoin/crypto has had on the mainstream media. The green represents positive news coverage, the gray represents neutral, and the red represents negative news coverage. What do you see? Well, in general, Bitcoin/crypto has gotten less and less news coverage in the mainstream media over time, but in a positive step, we have gotten a little bit more green in the last 3-4 months. I think that this graph indirectly shows volatility in the market and that the volatility in the crypto market has gone down, because the mainstream media, they really only talk about Bitcoin/crypto when we have huge price swings. So less volatility means less coverage in the mainstream. To me, that's a good thing because institutions want less volatility, and it's really just the public, the retail investor, that watches that mainstream news. Next piece of news, Coinbase closes its Chicago office and scales down their work on matching engine. So this just shows that not even Coinbase, who you know turned a profit in 2018, is making money in 2019. It shows that even a big player like Coinbase is somewhat affected by this bear market that we've had for the last year and a half, possibly bull market trending now. But per the report, the exchange will consolidate the high-frequency trading matching engine efforts. They'll consolidate this to their San Francisco office, so they still do have a US presence. Coinbase has purportedly laid off about 30 employees and will relocate some to the area of the other office, while others will work remotely. A bit of a setback for Coinbase, as they'll tell you. A spokesperson of the company reportedly told Fortune that while the closure of the office is a setback, the company is continuing to hire new employees in other offices. Even the big dogs in cryptocurrency, even they are tightening up their belts a little bit. Before we get to an update on where we stand in the crypto market, let me leave you with one piece of positivity on some news of adoption on a very small scale in the crypto space. It's coming. Sitting in a salon getting my 2 sons' haircut, and 2 older ladies are talking about Bitcoin. One old lady is explaining to the other that you can't actually hold it, but it's all digital. This is back country in Alabama here. It's truly coming. Good luck, guys and gals. Even in rural Alabama, Bitcoin is slowly seeping into the culture. We haven't really talked about anything like this in a while, but if you have a story, a short story that you can comment down below about just random, real adoption that you've heard about, that you've seen in your hometown, comment down below. In fact, after this video, let's all check the comments together and see what's down there. That's the video today, my friends. If we take one quick look at where we stand in cryptocurrency, we see that Bitcoin has taken a bit of a healthy correction. We're down less than $200 since yesterday. For a few hours yesterday, we touched above a $5,600 Bitcoin. Now we're right under 5,500. Let's zoom in on that for a bit. Whoa. And you can see we're still, and if we check out the other altcoins, we can see just a nice, healthy, corrective day in the market. The important thing is, can we consolidate and can we go and test again? I will keep you updated. That's the video today. This is Altcoin Daily. I'll see you tomorrow.